So Cygnus was originally launched as a science mission to study tropical cyclones, hurricanes, and typhoons. It's a constellation of 8 small satellites, and it receives scattered signals off the Earth's surface that are transmitted by the GPS satellites. By analyzing changes in the signals reflected off the surface, we can learn a lot about what's going on down at the Earth's surface. More recently, we've started looking at the measurements over land, and those are the sorts of measurements, these new land measurements, that we're looking forward to enhancing with our collaboration with New Zealand.
The partnership will place Cygnus receivers on Air New Zealand aircraft to help study the changing climate. It will measure soil moisture content, flood inundation, and the state of the Earth's surface.
We'll be able to see how measurements change over a longer period of time, and that's a much better set of data to understand things like long-term global changes in the environment. We have these new receivers, a next-generation version of the ones that are on the Cygnus satellites that were developed here at the University of Michigan, and they haven't been out in the field yet, so this will be our first opportunity to take them out in the field and see how well they work. There's a lot of different ways to try to model and predict what's going to happen with a flood, and they're all sort of research-grade approaches that are not validated or used operationally. And I think in the future, if this works well, we'll be able to support the development of those models, and ultimately we'll be able to improve the ability to forecast flash floods.